Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how we can run Java program on our Android phone. So first of all you need to go to Play Store and download Decoder app, okay, Decoder. So you need to install this program, and when it's installed you have to register using your email address, and once that is done we can write our programs and execute it. So I've already installed Decoder on my phone, so I'm going to open it. So this is the dashboard. From here we can create a new Java program by clicking on Start Coding. So when you click on Start Coding, you'll get two options. One is for creating projects and the other one is for creating a single file. So I'm going to choose single file here. And then we have to choose the language which we want to use. So you can see that we have got Java, C, C++, many languages are there according to your requirement. For the moment, I am going to choose Java, and we need to provide a file name. So I'll just choose any file name here. Let's say test 8. Okay, so my file name is test 8, and then I will click on create. So the app creates a predefined class and main function, and we just need to write our code. So inside the main function, I'm going to write system.out.println. So I've written a very simple program and I'm going to execute it by clicking on this blue button. So when I click on this, you can see that the output window will open, and here is our output. Now to make it easier for typing our program, we can also download the Decoder keyboard. So I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you.